We'll guide you through how to fix a black screen on a Hisense TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a very frustrating problem and annoying because you're trying to go and use it and you're unable to as the screen's black. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, just in case you go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, it's likely you've been trying to go and use the remote to go and turn it on, but it could be a problem with the remote. So we want to come onto the TV itself and you want to go and locate the physical button. So what you want to do is start running your hand at the bottom and you want to go and find the button. Usually it'll be somewhere in the middle here. So for example, for this TV, it's sort of to the left of the Hisense and it's quite far back. Like I have to put my hand quite far back. It's not right here and there's a button here. You may need to go and find it on the right or the left. And then what you can try doing is just tapping and holding that button for a couple seconds. Hopefully it will then go and come on. If that is the case, it's probably likely the remote has run out of batteries. So you can come onto the back of it, push down and slide back the cover and you can try replacing the batteries and hopefully that will go and solve it. And if you find the button still isn't turning it on, then what you need to do is you want to come to the power outlet. Of course, do just make sure that it is properly plugged in and it's switched on. You can go and see mine is here. But if yours isn't, try switching it on, try making sure it's fully pushed in as well. You could even try using a different one as well. And of course, at the back of the TV, make sure it's properly plugged in. It's actually wired in, so that isn't going to be a problem here. But yeah, make sure it's properly plugged in. Go and see if it'll then turn on with the button on the TV or the remote. Now, if it still doesn't, what you want to do is go and switch it off and we're going to unplug it. After you've done that, come back to the TV and we need to go and find the physical button on it. And once we've found it, just here, we're going to press and hold it. Now we're going to go and press and hold it for 30 seconds. So keep it held down and don't go and release. What this does, it will hopefully go and drain the power from the TV. And it's just a bit of a power reset, I like to call it. After that time has passed, release. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and plug it back in, go and plug it in like so, and we're going to switch it on. Now come back to the TV. You can try using the power button on the remote, but I also definitely recommend using the button just in case if there is a problem with the remote. So we're going to tap and hold it for a couple seconds. And as you can see, it then goes and comes on. And that's it. Hopefully that goes and then solves the problem for you. If you're finding that it's a black screen on a certain source you're trying to go and use, like an HDMI, make sure that it is properly plugged in and the device you're connecting to is definitely turned on as well. And if it still isn't working, it could be a problem with the device. So you could try testing on a different TV. But hopefully to help this video, you've managed to go and solve it and you no longer have a black screen and you can use your Hisense TV. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.